Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre. After yesterday's severe storms in the northeast, it was a clear start to the day, but we're expecting it to become partly cloudy quite soon over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga with stormy conditions later on. It was a clear start to the day over the western parts of the country, and along the west coast low cloud moved in overnight, and there were even reports of drizzle this morning. And that's ahead of an approaching cold front that will bring rainfall this evening to the southwestern Cape, and it will spread to the south coast overnight, and there's a 60% chance of thunderstorms this afternoon over the eastern half of Mpumalanga and the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, with a low risk of storms over the northern parts of Gauteng. It's windy today over the western interior, speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour in Sutherland. We're expecting a breezy day in Cape Town with northwesterlies up to 30 kilometers per hour and onshore winds along the east coast with speeds between 15 and 25 kilometers per hour. The South African Weather Service issued another watch for severe thunderstorms. This time it's valid over the eastern half of Mpumalanga and the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. There's also a high fire danger warning for the western and central interior, where it's very hot, dry and windy this afternoon. Now let's take a closer look at our synoptic analysis. There's the cold front approaching from the west. It will move in overnight and we're expecting rainy conditions by midnight. The thunderstorms in the northeast will clear quite rapidly after sunset, and we're expecting mostly cloud-free conditions over the eastern part. Tomorrow the cold front moves eastwards, and with that we're expecting cooler air over the Cape provinces. Meanwhile, it will become cloudy from the south over KwaZulu-Natal, with rain setting in towards the evening, and hot and dry conditions remain likely over Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. In Johannesburg, we're expecting cloud-free conditions this evening. After a hot afternoon, it will reach a temperature of 17 degrees by tomorrow morning. The hot conditions over the central parts of South Africa will be associated with clear skies and a morning temperature tomorrow of 16 degrees. Rain is expected in Cape Town this evening, and after 24 degrees this afternoon, a low of 16 tomorrow morning, with partly cloudy conditions tonight in Durban and Port Elizabeth. Tomorrow morning, temperatures drop quite low over the western interior, with 6 degrees in Sutherland, mid to upper teens along the eastern coastline, and lows of 19 likely in Bombela and Polokwane. Monday afternoon will be extremely hot over the northern interior, 37 degrees likely in Pretoria, but cooler conditions along the south and southeast coast, with thunderstorms likely in KwaZulu-Natal. On Tuesday, dry weather for the western half of South Africa and thunderstorms possible again in Gauteng.